Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to speed up or slow down a video track in Camtesia Studio. I have already, viewers, here is a detailed tutorial of Camtesia Studio I have prepared for you. For details you can watch this video and link is in the description. And in this video we will learn how to speed up and slow down a video track. Let's start. First of all, you have to import a video track. I have imported here. Drag and drop it on a track number 1 or 2 wherever it's feasible for you. And let's see the normal speed of this video track. This is a short track of a kids dancing here, and here are two options, dear friends. For example, if you want to slow down or speed up the video only and don't want to speed or slow the track, you have to separate video and audio. Right click on the track, separate video and audio from here, and you will get two different tracks. Let's maximize this. This is audio track and this is this is video track and this is audio. So I have to drag this audio down on track number 1, and on track 2 this is video. And for example, I want to slow down this video track only. I have to slow down this video track only, and I want to slow down music as well. So for that, let's undo the changes, and this is combination of video and audio track here. Let's consider you want to slow down the whole clip or a video track. Simply right click on this option and go to clip speed. You have to minimize. I am going to minimize this figure. It means the track is actually new duration. You have to note here, new duration is going longer or greater. It means the video track is slowing down. I am slowing down this video track to 85%, and okay, let's check what's the difference. Here is a difference in previous track and this track. Now the second option we want to apply on our video track is to slow down or speed up the portion of a clip, not the whole video. So I have to split this video from here. For example, split the clip from here to this option. And for example, if I want to slow down the track I selected in between two portions, portion number 1 and 2, I want to slow down this option. I have to create some room or space for this. Actually, this length of this video will expand. Right click on this option, clip speed 77 or 75. The length is expanded from 5.13 seconds to 7.7 seconds. So this is expanded. Okay, and now let's check what's the difference. This video will slightly speed, this is slow, and again this is slightly speed. And let's check this option. This option is slower, and again this is slightly speed. This is slightly speed up, but I want to speed this option or this portion. Let's speed up this all in short clip, and I want to increase the percentage. It means I am changing the size or compressing the video. Okay, so it contracted from here to here. Let's check what's the difference here. This is another example of compressing or speeding up the video, and this portion is slightly simple and this portion is more slower. So friends, I hope you will understand how to slow down and speed up the video track while editing your video for YouTube or any other purpose. If you like today's video, click subscribe button, comment and like this video. Thank you for watching.